what is the ruling on drawing animals that have no eyes on a piece of paper? Well, Abdul Alim, we have to go to the hadiths of the Prophet ﷺ to learn from them. So we have a hadith from the Prophet ﷺ which is very authentic, when he said to Mother Aisha, the most severely punished people on the day of judgment in hellfire are those who draw pictures of living creatures. And he told her, didn't you know that the owners of these pictures are the most severe on the day of judgment? Allah Azza wa Jal says in the Qudsi hadith, who is more sinful than those who create like my creation? Let them create a piece of barley. Let them create an ant. And we were told that those who draw such pictures will be told on the day of judgment to give life to them, and they won't. So drawing such pictures of living animals, of birds, of fish, of insects, of humans is totally prohibited. And having the face only without eyes would still make it prohibited. If you don't have the head and you just draw the body, there's no difference of opinion that this is okay. So the body without the head is permissible. Some scholars say that even if you have the head, but no features that give it life, no eyes, no nose, no mouth, nothing, just the head itself empty, then this is also permissible, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.